Hi guys, it's your girl Faith93. Thank you all for tuning back into my channel. And if you are new to my channel or over here just lurking around, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below so that you do not miss out on any of my videos. Okay, so I wanted to come on here and show you guys how I did my knotless braids, my knotless box braids that I have in. I just redid my edges because, girl, let me tell you, I didn't have these braids in for like 6 weeks. This is going on the 6th week, and your girl was starting to look frizzy around the edges. If you can tell, like, I know you can't see from right there, but y'all see all of this, like, all this new growth right here? Yeah, I didn't redo those, but I did, like, redo the edges around the perimeter, like such, and I did redo my middle part, so if I want to wear it going down in a middle part, then you know it's going to still look cute. I think that since I redid my edges, it just made it look a little bit more cleaner and that looks nicer, and I think that I can get by with wearing these braids for another 3 weeks, at least to last me to the end of the month of February. So yeah, I have really been enjoying these braids, you guys. I would definitely say that knotless box braids are the way to go because it's like so easy to maneuver even after you put them in. Like, they don't hurt. They feel more lightweight than regular box braids. I don't know why. Maybe it's because you're not using as much hair. But yes, I've been loving them. So without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and just let y'all watch this video. I'll probably have a little bit of voiceover going on with it so I can show you all how I did my knotless braids. Also, because I don't think I tell you all what products I use in the video. I am using the Shine and Jam. I live by this. That's all I braid hair with. And the hair that I am braiding with is actually by this Zuri Hollywood braid. So this is the hair that I'm using, and it is in the color Sombre 27. But yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the video, and I guess I'll see you all in my next one. Bye! Okay, so I'm just going to start off by parting my hair into a square section, and I do use my Shine and Jam to help define my parts. And now I'm just taking a piece of braiding hair, and I'm going to split that hair into 4 smaller pieces of braiding hair so that when you feed it in for your knotless box braids, it's not bulky at the top. So I'm just taking the Shine and Jam, putting it on my hair so that it's easier for me to grip, and I'm also going to comb through my hair to detangle a little bit. And then once I start the braid, I take 3 pieces and I'm going to braid it 1, 2, 3 times, and then I'm going to add in some hair. And so if you can see, I kind of feed in that hair from the back first, braid around it, and then take the remaining piece out and tuck it behind. So I'm just going to do that again, feed it in through the back, braid a little bit, and tuck it behind. Once again, feed it in through the back, braid a little bit, and then tuck it behind. And then I just continue to braid the rest of the hair down. So I've done my first 3 for my middle part in the front, and as you can see, it blends in seamlessly with my hair. And right now I'm just showing you guys again, and I have it in a little bit slower, more real-time motion. I'm going to braid 1, 2, 3. This time I did 4. I usually do between 3 to 4 times, just depending on where my right hand ends, because I am right-handed to start feeding in the hair. So I'm going to add in the hair, take the part that's behind, start braiding, and then take the part that's in front and pull it behind. Now this is the best method that works for me. This might not work for everybody. And it might not work if you're doing this method on somebody else's hair. This is just doing it on your own. That's why I've labeled this video as DIY on your own knotless braids, just because of the position that you have to put your hands in to do this. So I finished my middle part right here, and I finished around my edges, and it just looks so much neater and cleaner. And so I think that I should be able to get away with these braids for another 3 weeks. And here I'm about to just dip the ends of the braids in some hot water to seal the ends so that they do not unravel. And you might have to dip your ends twice, just depending. I don't like it when they kind of frizz up at the bottom, get all crinkly. I like for them to look smooth, so I ended up dipping them twice. But I like the way that they turned out. I think it looks so much cleaner, and yes, I'm going to enjoy my braids for another 3 weeks. So I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, y'all.